Two streaming giants, two different promises, but which one truly delivers when you hit play? On the left, Netflix, home to unlimited originals and global hits. And on the right, Paramount Plus, your go-to for live TV, sports, and classic favorites. Let's skip the marketing talk and dive straight into what matters for viewers in 2025. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see which streamer comes out on top. The winner is probably not who you think. All right, here's the big map of the categories we're putting these two heavyweights through. We've got price, content library, live TV and sports, originals and exclusives, device support and streaming, recommendations and UX, and international availability. Yep, all the stuff you actually care about when you're picking a streamer. Let's kick it off. Price. First up, Netflix. So they have a bunch of subscription tiers, right? There's a basic one with ads, which will run you about $8 a month. But if you want all the bells and whistles, like premium 4K, it's a whopping $25 a month. Honestly, no annual discount either, so watch out. Now Paramount Plus. Starting price is also $8 a month, with ads. But the top-tier premium plan, which includes Showtime and is ad-free, lands at $13. Not bad, huh? Still, if you want anything beyond ads, you're jumping straight to the big plan. So for price, Paramount Plus wins this round. It's just the better bang for your buck if you want premium features. Next up, content library. Okay, Netflix, it's famous for its massive originals. Stranger Things, The Crown, The Witcher, the hits just keep coming. Tons of movies, docs, even international stuff. But titles do rotate a lot, which can be a bummer, and sometimes what's available changes depending on your region. Paramount Plus, though, leans hard into its CBS, Nickelodeon, MTV, and Comedy Central roots. It's got a growing stash of originals and movie premieres, but let's be real. The overall library is smaller, and there aren't as many exclusive originals. So, for sheer volume and variety, Netflix takes it. All right, now for live TV and sports, which is honestly make or break for a lot of people. Netflix? Nada. Seriously, if you want live sports or any kind of current broadcast, look elsewhere. Paramount Plus? This is where they flex. Live NFL games, UEFA Champions League, March Madness, all coming at you in real time. Plus, there are live CBS channels in a bunch of places. You might need the premium plan for some coverage, and availability does shift by region, but still, it's night and day compared to Netflix. Easy win for Paramount Plus here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Netflix hits like Squid Game have pulled in more than 100 million viewers worldwide in just 1 month? That's insane. Paramount Plus can't quite claim those bragging rights, at least not yet. Moving over to originals and exclusives. Netflix, honestly, kind of owns this category. It's like every month there's a new original. And the variety? International, every genre you can think of. Occasionally, a show drops in quality or disappears due to licensing. That part stings, not gonna lie. Paramount Plus, though, is catching up. It's got some cool Paramount and Showtime exclusives, plus those classic CBS originals. But no sugarcoating. Netflix just has way more. So, Netflix wins this one hands down. Let's talk about device support and streaming. Netflix just works everywhere. Smart TVs, consoles, phones, you name it. And depending on your plan, you can have up to 4 streams at once, plus all the crazy good stuff like Dolby Vision and Atmos if you're on premium. But yeah, all that is only for the top plan. Paramount Plus isn't slouching though. 3 simultaneous streams, offline downloads if you shell out for premium, and HD quality. But no 4K, and it doesn't play quite as nicely with every device out there. Still, Netflix is the clear winner for pure flexibility. On to recommendations and UX. Netflix has freakishly good personalized suggestions, an interface that's super intuitive, and, if you've got kids, really solid parental controls. You'll end up watching stuff you didn't even know you wanted. Paramount Plus does have an easy interface, but the recommendations just aren't up to the same level, and their parental controls are a bit basic. So Netflix grabs the gold here again. And last but not least, international availability. So Netflix is everywhere, literally in over 190 countries. And the international selection? wild. Paramount Plus is spreading fast, and you get coverage all across the Americas and parts of Europe, but it's not even close to Netflix's reach. Netflix is the go-to here for anyone outside the US. So, if you throw all these categories together, Netflix just edges out Paramount Plus in most areas, except for price and live TV, where Paramount Plus really puts up a fight. So here's my take. Netflix is honestly the go-to if you want big originals, tons of content, and you need global access. Like, you could travel anywhere in 2025 and still stream your favorites. But if you're a US-based viewer and live TV or sports are super important, Paramount Plus is probably where you want to be. Both are solid, but Netflix just covers more bases for most people. All right, drop a comment below. Are you team Netflix or team Paramount Plus? Seriously, I want to know. And hey, if you found this comparison helpful, definitely follow for more reviews and all things streaming.